No, Clover, don't do anything on melee. You literally only need to heal.
Spam the
Bob.
fuck out of the
Yeah.
crystal person. That's it.
Don't
That's
I
the only
have to
person.
have 3 hots up?
To spam them with your most inefficient heal. It's like it counts what you directly heal them for, not hots.
Right, but to be a faster
Far right, Bob.
Well, you have heroism and stuff during this. So.
Okay.
Links in.
Hey, I'm checking.
Second shard soon.
Ryberry.
I have torment, so.
It's
Okay.
far right, Maddie.
Oh god, this isn't good.
I'll show one now. I'll show one. Bob, when you're ready,
Yep, turning in 3, 2, 1.
paints up pop.
Big heals on Shadow Priest.
All hands, put your mana type.
X crystal is just for whichever range is close to
Yeah.
is called out.
Profile B now. Profile B now. Mally taunting
There it is.
3,
That's
2, 1. Mally
I'll go first.
taunted.
I got first.
It's on Mally. Please AM
I'm
main.
for True Fire.
Heal True Fire, please. Just walk out to my left, envelop.
I have tormented.
AM
still, so-
rally. We're good. You can have tormented. Just keep going.
Envelop.
Heal enveloped.
We're good now. Just heal your targets. Profile B targets for the rest of the fights. This is it. This is what we wanted here. Heal enveloped.
It's the left shard sport. Can you grab this one? That's it.
I got it. I got sport. Got it.
Who's getting it next after him?
I can get sport after sport.
Okay, so Ramana after.
Bob, can you shift to your right a little bit? The main
Heal-
Rhino.
Keep sport alive, please.
That's a mage taunt.
Good. Take
Heal
it now.
Bob. Everyone heal Bob. Get ready to lay on hands him if you need.
Heal Ramen Shaman as
Next
well.
hit, just lay on hands. Next hit, lay on hands. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Just keep Bob up.
Big heals on
I'm
Ram.
taunting in 3, 2, 1. I taunted. Get Ramen up.
Is Maddie's dispersed back up now or no?
No, we're just gonna keep doing
It's normal,
13.
normal, yeah.
No crazy stuff. Charge.
Trying with someone to get it. Dusty get it. Dusty get it. I can grab after you.
Just keep going. You're still on the same profile. Same people you're healing the whole fight now. Just keep going. We're good on DPS.
I'll take it now. Heal True Fire.
Stay alive. Heal True Fire. People designated. Inferno Blade. Chesney AM. Okay, Rhino's dead.
You want me res?
I got him. Yeah.
Next shard, be ready.
Fucking. Sorry, Rally Rainy.
Who's
I can take
who's
this one
next?
first. I'll take this one
It's
first.
far right.
After PLC, who's getting it?
Maddie will get it.
Okay.
Good. You can disperse like 10 sacks to help the healers out.
And go ahead.
I'm gonna get mana here in a second. Actually, I'll do it after the next blade.
We're good. Yeah, after the next blade.
Link soon, and another shard as well.
Heal that fucking DK. Drop your AMZs when you use up, guys.
Shard is.
Blade soon, taunt. Bob,
left
heal
side.
Bob. Everyone heal Bob.
Someone's come left side. Someone's come left side
Left
right
side. Heal
now. Someone
Bob.
grab this. Someone grab this, please.
Okay.
Ramen, just grab it. Grab it. Grab it.
Shocks is also open.
Someone
I'll
else
get
needs to come
next.
left.
I'm coming.
Yeah.
I'll get next.
Heal Ramen. Taunt in 3, 2, 1. Back on
Swap now.
Mally.
Swap now.
Just heal Mally.
Please heal sport. Range soak.
Heal
Okay, I'm
Sport.
getting mana.
Okay, you're
If it-
fine.
There's a left shard. One
I
of the
show
range
wall.
needs.
I show wall. We're good.
That's a left shard. The range needs to grab it.
Okay, I fucked it. I got enough.
It's
Right.
paint sub
Right
open.
yellow.
Is paint sub open?
Yeah.
Okay, next blade will paint sub if it's Inferno.
Just call.
Yeah.
Shocks right now. Who's grabbing after shocks?
Keep going, guys. Keep going.
Tiger can get it after.
Tiger can get it, yeah.
Okay,
Decimation,
Tiger.
heal Bob. Heal Bob, taunt.
Take it now, Tiger. Take it
Heal
now.
Bob, guys. Heal Bob. Heal Bob to full every time he gets hit. Just keep going, melee. Use your AMZs, use your AMS. Keep Bob alive.
New shard soon.
I'm taunting in 3, 2, 1 on Matt. Tiger, yep.
Who's next ranged?
Can I get Can I get paints up?
Once we, I can true fire and grab it first. If it's true fire
Keep
has
going,
Mid.
guys. We got 1 minute.
I can get that.
what? Yeah. Did you guys repot as well?
I got King's next blades.
Okay, good.
Heal true fire, please.
Go true fire. Just keep true fire up, guys. Come on.
I can grab it now, Maddie.
Maddie, can we have a hand?
Maddie,
Active
him.
potions.
Maddie,
5 minute
when you
cooldown.
can, him.
Someone grab it, someone grab it, someone grab it,
AM,
someone grab it,
please.
someone grab it,
Pamin
someone grab
AM.
it, shard.
Pamin AM. Get Rhino up.
I got it after Dusty.
Can I get a fucking Sham rally?
Let's get the new one. Pork.
Rye
I
barrier,
got the new
please.
one.
Rye barrier. Fuck. Fuck.
I'll get
It's still doable. Just
Just
spread
kite
out.
it. Kite it. Kite it. Yep. Just keep doing shards and kite it.
I'm gonna
get
grab
this
it
next
after.
shard.
Range, keep doing all the shards. If you can do a shard, do a shard. That's it, guys. No random deaths, and that's it. You gotta move out at 13 sacks. You cannot do 14 sacks, or else you die. Melee, you gotta make sure if you can fucking... If you can fucking... Like, use your any divine protection. You know? Like, divine protection on cooldown. That's like a 1 minute cooldown. AMZ, AMS. Fucking
What happened there to Maddie was that someone that had Link walked right past him with the and gave him torment. So like, please be careful when you have Link that you don't walk past someone taking a shard.
Yeah. That's it. That was it, guys. Just like no dumb deaths, and that's it.
Yeah, it didn't help that I had to get torment in the end because I was linked, so it was just really unfortunate.
Yeah, I mean this strat, 1 or 2 healers get linked is fine. Like with the
Yeah.
torment, I just like it's much cleaner. So once we get through the first 2 minutes, and that was it, dude.
Yeah. Like a well-oiled machine.
Where I'm dying at compared to the crystal, I'm not even close to it. So
You have to be. It's thing is you have to be the farthest person. So if someone else moves out, not at like you barely.
no,
move out,
that's what
someone
I'm
else...
saying though. Is like, are we all going in and out, or because I was
Constantly.
really far away?
You do non-stop in and out.
Right. That's
Yeah.
that's what I'm wondering though, because I'm
You also have to be
pretty
near
far away when I'm
blue to
dying.
get healed.
No,
Near
he's
who?
like. There's some melee getting to like three stacks at point. Like every melee should just be constantly swapping like 1 stack, just walk in and out. Everyone should be doing that. If you're doing that,
Don't
no one
jump.
will die.
Someone says don't jump. Run between his feet. We're doing good though. That was good. That was it right there. I mean, drop Manti a little earlier, so we have it twice.
Do you just want me to call that, Nelly?
Mark of the
or-
Wild, please. Yeah, you call it. Clover, eat food. I mean, I just didn't have a cooldown there for Inferno Blade. That's why I died. I called
Yeah,
it
you
too
got
late.
hit really.
I'm
Yeah,
just
called it
really,
today.
like, I'm really fucking flustered at that point, so my health is going down so low all the time.
Deep breath, buddy. Deep breath.
I guess.
You'll be okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
could
it's
survive.
just like, I don't know. You guys see, you can watch my.
Oh, we
VOD,
can
it's
see the
so
we can see the
stressful.
beater, bro. Trust
We're
me.
watching you.
we
Yeah, it's so stressful.
can see the ping pong.
Special coming.
Shard spawning. It's between triangle or star and X. Star and X.
Okay, AM, please, Jesse.
Started.
Rye
Second
barrier.
phase be
Special
soon.
coming.
Maddie, this is yours.
On
On
third.
right side by star. By star.
Bob taunt in 3, 2, 1. Bob taunt. Paints up Bob. Paints up Bob.
Big heals on Maddie.
Big heals on Bob. Bob just needs 2 stacks. Mally taunting 3, 2, 1. Mally taunted. It's on Mally. I have no cooldown up at the moment. It's okay though.
Stat. Special coming.
Do the
Okay, bro, I'm
melee
gonna
thing?
take.
Clear.
Rain shard on triangle.
A taunt.
Doing
Bob.
it.
On Bob.
Develop
I'm
passive
taunt.
first.
I have the
Bob,
debuff
Bob,
first.
Bob, Bob.
I have the
Oh,
debuff.
Heal Mally.
You're good. You're good.
Heal
You're
Mally.
good.
You guys.
Get ready, lay on hands.
I'll take it off, Dusty.
Lay on hands if you need it. Yeah.
I did it. Just
We're good.
heal
We're
you
good. We're good now. We're good.
Block, Dusty. I don't know if it cauterized or not. But heal True Fire, please. With the fire.
No true fire.
I've got tormented. It's really.
Special coming.
Shards.
New shard. It's
I got
on
this one.
okay. After
Just making
sport,
sure we
maybe,
swap profiles, right? We swap profiles, right? Just making sure.
Yeah.
Ramana can
We
get
swapped
after
for a
sport.
while
We'll
ago,
get
yeah.
after.
Keep Spork up. Keep Spork up. Rhino, feel free to lay on hands, people, if you need as well.
Go ramen.
Oh, taunt,
Big-
Bob. Heal Bob.
Keep
Heal
Ra-
Bob. Heal Bob.
keep
Heal Bob.
Ramana.
Heal Bob. Heal
Holy
Bob.
fuck,
Heal
bro.
Bob. We're good. Heal Bob.
Next shard in range.
Back on Mally.
Shocks.
Back on Mally.
Shocks, Tiger, or Maddie has to get it.
Mally has army up. Just keep
Or
healing
Bella.
Mally.
Special coming.
Shard is-
Oh, you got-
Oh, dude.
You-
Get me up. We're good. I'm
Behind
good.
star, far right.
We're
heal
good.
heal
We're good.
Tiger, and Shocks can get it after Tiger.
Mally taunting in 3, 2, 1. Taunted.
You can get him buffs.
Have a cooldown up. Get me buffs. Yeah.
Sorry,
Have
who's
cooldowns
after
up.
Tiger?
Shocks. Heal Tiger though. Heal Tiger, please.
Tiger's linked. Heal shocks. Inferno. AM Chesney. Rye barrier.
It's not
Next
up.
shard, True Fire can
Okay.
get first.
AM please, Bamin.
True Fire has this. Clover move.
Keep going, guys. We're good.
Somebody
Maddie
got
can
it on
take
your
after
side.
True Fire. Yep. Maddie can take after True Fire.
Meaty, put your totem down once it's up.
Maddie, take it now. Just disperse it like 8 stacks, Maddie.
Have your wall up. Have your wall up. Have your wall up. Let's see what's up.
Sport, grab the next shard if it's close to
Link,
you.
link. We got blade soon.
Middle.
I
Let's
got it.
talk.
Has it
Bob.
first.
Heal Bob. Everyone heal Bob. Or not everyone, but heal Bob.
I'll get
Bell
Get
just
ready to lay
got
on
it.
hands him. If you need to lay on hands him, lay on hands him.
Heal
I
Sport.
have
Lay on hands
tormented.
next hit. Lay on hands this one. Yeah. Good.
Bell take now.
Taunting Mally. That's on Mally. I have a cooldown up here. And a pot.
I got 40
Keep
more
going,
seconds.
guys. We're good. We're great on timer right now.
PLC or Ramana grab the next shard here to start off, or Dusty.
Keep everyone up. Shards up.
Is where is it?
Far right.
Alright,
I can
PLC
take
has
it first.
Okay.
Next Inferno Blade will be
Tiger
instant.
grabbed after PLC. She has repot at some point.
Paints
Put
up me,
your mana
please. Paints
tide
up me, please. Paints up me, please.
Take
Tiger
it.
take it. Tiger take it. Heal Tiger.
And then barrier now.
Oh shit. I didn't place it.
I don't see it. It's okay.
Yeah, I don't. I used it.
Okay, I'm good.
behind.
Keep
I
going,
use my
guys.
keys
Shard is
there.
soon.
Okay, it's fine.
Special
20%.
coming.
Keep going. Shards.
Where's the shard?
Center.
I got.
On X.
Ramana get it.
Surprise
Ramana get it.
that.
Ramana get it.
Yeah, I'll start ramen.
Heal ramen.
I'll take him after.
Keep going, guys.
I have AMs up again.
Just move to your right when you're done.
Mana pots and stuff. Maddie, when you can, mana him. When you have a second, Maddie.
Heal True Fire, please.
We got one more blade to do. This is it. Taunt Bob. Heal Bob. Get ready to lay on hands him.
Please heal True
Rhino
Fire, please heal
or
True
someone. If he gets hit, lay on hands. Heal Bob. Oh
Okay.
god,
Yeah,
heal
I
Mally.
don't-
Heal
I
Mally.
don't
Heal
have
Mally. Heal Mally. Heal Mally.
You're good. You're good. Okay.
Fire. Someone got this crystal.
Just heal Mally.
I got it.
Far right.
I want-
Okay, Spork has it. Spork has it.
Good, we're good, guys. We're good, guys. Keep going.
Yeah, it's closer.
Just keep
It
doing
moves up.
shards.
PLC get after Spork.
I'll get it
25
after.
seconds.
I'm like so gassed.
Just keep going.
Grab it now, PLC.
Bob has a innervate for Chesney.
Keep PLC alive, please.
Do I need to kite this? Keep,
No, you're good.
Keep soaking. Berserk in 10. Keep doing shards, okay? Keep doing shards. 4. Keep going. Just keep going. Do the shards. Do the shards. Do the shards. Kill the shit!
Go on.
Kill the shit! Yes! Fuck this, dude! Oh my god!
I don't like this fight.
Holy fuck, dude.
My mana's so stressed this whole fight.
It was a good
God
kill, though.
fucking damn it, dude.